Okay, this is task 14-3, which is dealing with the graphs in Excel. We haven't done any special classes about how to draw the graphs, but in this task we are going to see how to make changes to a graph. Then I'll show you a separate activity on how to draw a graphs. Okay, there is no specific fixed activity in the textbook just dedicated to graphs, but I will take my own example and show you one day. Okay, so this is just a changing of a existing graph which is already there. So to do this one, we need to open a file called graph sales data, which is the one I opened, graph sales data, and select sheet 2. So in the sheet 2, you have a graph already given to you, and this graph is showing you the sales, the cost, and the gross profit made by the business. So the blue part of this chart is your sales. So you made 10,000 sales in January, 10,050, then 11, then 11,000, and so on. This purple part is showing you the cost, and then this cream part is showing you the profit. This chart is called as a stacked chart because each and every information is stacked on one another for every month. So for January you have sales, then you have the cost, and then you have this profit. But when you want to understand this chart, it is not that useful because in January you can see the figure is going up to like 22,000 or 21,000. If someone don't think or see it properly, they'll say all of this might be sales, because people need to know that different elements of the chart are showing different parts of information. So this chart is very poorly presented. So this task is going to show you how to change this chart. Okay, so we have opened it. That is what they're telling you. It is a stacked column chart showing you information for sales, cost, and gross profit, but it is not very meaningful representation. So they want you to make some changes to it. The first thing to do is to change the gross profit series to show as a line. So we have this gross profit. This is your sales, this is your cost, and this is your profit, the cream part of the chart. The profit, instead of showing is as a column, they want to show it as a line. Okay, so you can change different elements of the chart. So they don't want to change the sales or the cost, they want to change the profit, and they want the profit to come as a line rather than coming on top of this cost or on top of this sales. So to do that, first don't select the whole chart, select only the profit part, which is that cream one, and you can see all of them are selected. Right click and say change series chart type. So we are only changing the chart type for this cream series, and this cream series is for profit. So choose the option change series chart type, select it, and you can see change chart type menu has appeared here. Sales is a stacked column, we don't want to change it. Cost is also a stacked column, we do not want to change it. But just the gross profit, they want you to convert it into a line. So click on this arrow mark over here and click on a line. You can use any line. They did not specify which line to use. Okay, so you can use any line chart, whatever you want. Okay, I'll use a simple line chart. So I select line. So what will happen is the sales and the cost will still remain as a stacked column, but only the gross profit has turned into a line in black color. Say OK, and you can see the profit is now coming as a line. So you can see in January to February the profit increased, then decreased, then increased, then decreased, and then showing a slight increase towards the end of the 6th month. Okay, so that is the first thing, we changed the profit into a line. Next thing they want you to do, delete the cost data series and change the title to sales and profit comparison. In this one you are showing sales, cost, and profit. But now what they want to do is they only want the sales and the profit. They want to delete the cost. Do not delete the data. leave the data as it is. You just want to delete the cost from the chart. So the cost element is shown in the purple color. How do you know which one is which? Is because when you selected that, you can see the costs are getting highlighted here. So you know that color of the chart is highlighting the cost. Whereas when you select the blue one, you can see the sales are getting highlighted. When you select the line, you can see the profits are getting highlighted. So when you select the purple part of the chart, you can see costs are highlighted. And now you want to delete this cost data, because previously you are comparing sales and cost, but now you only want to compare sales and profit. So they don't want to show the cost anymore in the chart. So select any purple element of the chart. You can see all the purple elements are now highlighted. Press delete button on your keyboard. And that's it. All the cost data is now gone, and you only have the sales data and the profit data. And they want to change the title of the sheet to sales and profit comparison. Just right click on the name and then edit it. So it is sales and profit comparison. So that's what we have done. Next, add a secondary axis for gross profit data using series by using Format Data Series menu. So this profit is coming at the bottom over here, because your sales are like 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, etc. So this information is representing the sales. But profit is only 1,200 and 4,000. So you can see this line is somewhere lying at the bottom. But you do not want to see that. You want to see the profit information more prominently. So to do that, you add a secondary axis. Currently it is having only one axis showing all the information in currency. So when you add secondary axis, what will happen is this one will be your sales, and you will get some more figures on this side which will be your profit, and this line will move up. So this axis will be for the sales information, and this axis will be for the profit information. So let me show you how to do that. Select the line, right click. Again you can use this option, Format Data Series, and then from the primary axis make it into secondary axis. Click on secondary axis, and now you can see the change. This is your sales and this is your profit. So it is starting from 500 to going up to 5,000. In the first month your profit was 1,200, so you can see it is starting from there. Then it became 4,000. Then it became 2,100, and so on. So you added a secondary axis for the profit information and one more primary axis for the sales information. So that is done. So you can close this section here. Next thing they want to do is they want to add a linear trend line. A linear trend line shows how is the basic trend of your business. Overall, is the performance of the business increasing or decreasing if you see overall performance. Okay, like from January to June. In January your profit is 1,200, but in June your profit is 3,200. In some months it is increased a lot, in some month it decreased a lot, again increased, again decreased, again increased. But basically if you see a relative performance of the profit, it is actually increasing, because in the first month you only had 1,200, but later it became 3,200. But if you see this profit line, it is showing the actual profit, so showing increase, decrease, increase, decrease. But a linear trend line shows the relative performance. If the linear trend line is going upwards, you can say the relative performance is increase in profits. But if the linear trend line goes down, then you can say the relative performance is decrease in profits. Okay, so let's see how to draw the linear trend line. They only want to draw the linear trend line for the profit figures. So again, select this profit information, which is your line, the profit line, and to add the trend line, you need to go to this section over here which says chart design. Click on that, and then we have a section over here called add chart element. Select this trend line, and they want to add a linear trend line. Select that. Now they want the trend line to be a thick line of 3 point and bright green. 3 point is the thickness, because it is very light, only black and very light thickness. So they want you to change it into a green color with a 3 point thickness. So select that, right click, format. In this paint bucket symbol, thickness is 3 point, so increase the thickness, and they want it to be green. So select any green, and that is your linear trend line. And you can see this linear trend line is showing you a very slight upwards movement. That means the relative performance of this business is an increase in the profit. So this is your task 12-14. This is 14-3, which we have now completed. But in a separate class, I will have to show you how to actually do the graphs in Excel. So most probably we'll be doing that on the Wednesday's lesson. Thank you.